Good morning everyone. How are you? We are the students of class 8 going to perform an activity on something unique, the force. Do you know what is force?
Any type of push or pull is called force. The good side of force is helpful. It helps us to move things like car and chair. It also helps us to build big buildings. Gravity of force keeps us on the ground. But the bad side of force is harmful. Energy lost, waste of useful energy as heat. It also causes damage or deterioration to the machine parts.
There are two types of force, contact force and non-contact force.
The force caused due to the action only when the two objects are in actual contact is known as contact force.
There are two types of contact force, frictional force and muscular force.
The force caused due to the action of muscles in our body is known as muscular force. For example, this is push, this is pull.
Frictional force opposes motion between two surfaces. The example of frictional force is rubbing your hands to produce heat.
Non-contact force. The kind of force which acts from a distance is a non-contact force.
There are three types of non-contact force, electrostatic force, magnetic force and gravitational force.
The force exerted by a charged body to another charged or uncharged body is called electrostatic force. For example, if we charge our scale by rubbing our hairs, it can attract the paper particles. The force produced by a magnet that affects another magnet or magnetic substance is known as magnetic force. So friends, now see how the magnet attracts iron key. So friends, you see how the magnets attract the iron key. Gravitational force. The force of attraction that can pull object towards the earth is known as gravitational force. When we throw up the ball up there, because it falls down because of the gravity.
So friends, can you imagine two people pushing a box from both the sides? Then you come across a new class of force called balance force and unbalanced force.
The force exerted by both the side is equal from both sides. It is called balance force.
Unbalanced force. When two or more forces act on a body in such a way that is not a zero art for unbalanced force. So friends, let's conclude this activity with some external knowledge. The SI unit of force is Newton, named after its founder, the famous scientist Isaac Newton. Its strength is magnitude. So friends, I hope you like our activity. So thank you. Have a nice day.